Hello. Một bên này cái live sẽ thành long tần là cái này sẽ thành long tần rồi đây. Với sẽ cái chút sung pik pik đi. Sung pik đi.
Cái rơi ở tuần đó.
Cái rơi ở tuần, cái rơi ở tuần
đó. Cái thằng này khi ông ta tu.
Joey đi, Joey đi.
Next girl.
Non của tôi đang lúc là cảm thế nào? Đang đi chúng ta ảo thì lúc này nó là cái.
Xem son sing in tia station.
Cam đúng không?
Đông vàng ra đây rồi.
Semua di jangan tuh mana.
Gini yang ini là bên Pinike Miss KYF 2025 xin nạp lang con có thể năng lang.
Để lang dùng lúc lang của mình.
Cái check men cái chút ăn.
Ready?
Get set go luôn mà. Okay. Long vek nong bobo. Okay.
I am your contestant number 1. And my name is Mirdan Kramsapir. I am Anjali Hassansa, your contestant number 1 from Manja. I am Romalian Pamjopi, a 22 years old, hailing from the beautiful place called Chukeha. Life has meaning. What do you feel that is meaningful to you? Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon to the honorable judges. It's an honor and a pride for me to be standing here tonight. My name is Karbinewcomedyvideos and I'm the destined for Canada. Today I'm standing here to give faith in my Lord and myself to follow my heart and dare to accomplish my dreams. And I truly believe that if we really work hard, with all our hearts, with full of determination, dedication, and devotion, sincerely, miracles could happen in my life. And my strength of hard work comes from seeing my parents. They are my biggest source of inspiration in my life. And with this faith and inspiration, I also want to encourage the walls to dare the dreams to achieve. Thank you so much.
My name is Tina P, contestant number 12 from Namkangpong, Singhaton. Pardon. A very good evening to respected judges, guests, and all the ladies and gentlemen present here. My name is Shamshile Himberingma. I'm carrying the badge of contestant number 13.
Đó là contestant con bang lon đấy nhỉ? Bang lon lang mẹ. Yang pi bang matung yang pi bang lo. Yang pi bang mà. Contestant number con bang lo. 16. Woo, 16 rồi đây. Contestant con bang lo lang bên này nhỉ? 6 mà. Wow, 6 rồi đây. Lang bên toàn tràn đi. Rengsajir di Kilingpi lo deh, Don Marlia tuh. Rodi sama kayak kelam tuh bang lo deh lo kayak. Karate keteng naya bang lo deh lo kayak.
I really thank you all for giving me this platform. And aku ni thank you for jokin lang kaninje kay obviously nila confused no. But again, nang itu pagdog kami ang handa. Pagdog kami ang
tần ở kia này thành long tần rồi đây. Congratulations and all the best. Alo so cho lang long. Ingtipi à? Okay. Ingtipi đây. Nama Ingtipi tu bang sedang oh.
KYF.
Second round apa ready lo ma?
Ready lah.
Okay. Papan ceng phiền năng mo. Papan ceng phiền năng mo.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's the Ruplin.
Papan ceng năng đây ho. Question round go to the question round lo non ke 50 questions sikar juma la pen kosong sikit thak don di mala le.
Is it right? I can read the question. Nang jong si ko na ne shoot long dulo batang te for a cover magazine pan polo tang te. Lamang so a public figure. Who would you like to be? Who would that be and why? Uma pansi, jong pansi, bate upi podlo.
If I were given a chance to shoot for a magazine as a public figure, I would like to choose the Indian richest man, Mukesh Ambani, because he inspired me through his hard work and achievement, and he also motivates people with his hard work. And I would like to share a powerful message with them. Thank you so much.
You are standing in front of a mirror and your age is 15. What would you like to say or advise to that 15-year-old girl? If I'm standing in front of a mirror at the age of 15, I would tell myself to believe on myself and don't try to copy others. Because we are beautiful just the way we are. We don't need to copy another to feel better for our own self. Thank you.
Why is education important? I think education is important for each and every individual out there. Because I think education is not only the formal theory that we have on our textbooks that we read in institutions. I think education starts from home because where our fathers or our parents have teach us how to be graceful, how to be grateful for what we have and what we are going to dream of. Actually, education is not only help us in achieving of our good career, but it also helps in our personality growth and how to be giving a charity to the others nearby us. And I think education must apply on each and every remote area out there. And I think if we apply education in each and every remote places of our Karbi Anglong, just like in my places, the Nilip constituency, we all know that we have not much good into the education system because we have seen that many children out there have not got the privilege to study to the institutions, and I think we should make an impact on that. So yes, education must apply into each and every individuals out there, mostly to the young children out there. Thank you.
What are the different type of Karbi drum? There are at least 5. And what are they made out of? So, my answer about this is that number 1, Kilingpi, number 2, chainsaw, number 3, chain group, number 4, chain pilo, number 5, chain kumbang. And also they are all made up of bamboo and seasoned wood and also steel. So thank you so much for giving me an opportunity to answer. Thank you.
Today I got the questions of what the problems do you see in the current scenario in Karbinewco and how would you solve them? The problems I have seen in the Karbinewco is that there is lack of infrastructures and development, especially in the remote areas. Because in the remote areas, there is no proper facilities of hospitals, there is no proper facilities of electrics, and also there is no proper drinking waters. And also there is no proper roads and infrastructures going on in the remote areas. And also I would like to say that there is no proper schools and colleges where the students can study and pursue their goals. And what I would like to say to the Karbinewco government is that to take initiative and to mobilize the steps in order to uplift the poor and the downtrodden, to know their true potentials and to uplift and to mold their personality into a better way. So in this way the world can change into a better place to live in, and Karbinewco can be a brighter and a future generations to grow more and development to see in the future. Thank you so much.
Okay, well, my question is, can money buy happiness?
Can money buy happiness nowadays?
My answer for that question is, I think money can buy happiness.
Yes.
Because if someone gets ill, then you will get sad. If your loved ones get ill, you will get sad. Is it true or not? Yes. So, in order to treat your loved ones, to give good health to your loved ones, you need money to give good things to your loved ones. Then only you will have a happy life. So that's why you need money to have a happiness life. Thank you.
Question kayo sumpik-pik di.
Sumpik.
Sumpik di.
Kita ya tuan dah.
Kita ya tuan
nak kecat lagi dah tu.
Joey di. Next round dah lah. Never give up.
Jangan pilawar.
Why should we select you as our new title holder?
Thank you so much for your question, sir. Well, firstly, I would like to say about my fellow contestants. They had also worked hard to be here tonight. They had, throughout this journey, they had also made me very happy and they were kind towards me. They had also shared a lot of things towards us, and each and every girl of them were kind towards each other. Well, you should select me as your new title holder because I'm confident, kindness, and I am very confidence, and to make a positive impact for our Karbinewco. But for Karbinewco. And I will make my parents proud through this platform. Thank you so much.
Hi, how are you feeling tonight? I'm feeling excited. Are you ready for the question? Sure, ma'am. Here we go. If God granted you one wish, what would you wish for?
First of all, thank you so much, ma'am. And also, welcome to our Karbi Youth Festival.
Thank you.
So, my answer about this is that if God give me a wish, I would like to wish a mirror of reflection, not only about the physical, but to see the heart of people, that to remember how to treat each other well. And not only that, we have a kind heart, so we together build a beautiful place with love and care. Thank you so much, ma'am.
So, are you confident that you are winning the title tonight?
Yes, I'm super confident that I could win the title tonight.
Okay, that's great. So, my question is, that's we have a totem and we have a national symbol, right? The Karbis have their national symbol, a totem. Do you know what it is?
Yes, sir. Thank you for your question, sir.
That was not my question, but I am asking you.
The Karbi symbol is the Jambalaya thong,
Okay,
which
now.
is the identity of the Karbi culture.
Okay, now tell me something about Jambalaya thong.
Jambalaya thong is the most powerful, which serve the Karbi cultural community and the spiritual belief of the Karbi. Jambalaya thong is made up of bengboy tree, which is called in Karbi bengboy kerer, and also which is called in English as wooden crab.
By production. Oh, by production tayo deh. MissKYF nang kilang nunlok lo. Kosan lo, arja lang may sensan ma. Lang may sensan lo di. Ente, kalau bang lo nang ngedong na ye. Kalau contestant na lo nang ngedong na ye. Chẳng quay lên lo buồn ta, nang ning lo si bijoy lo bu. Oh di.
Ijang, Lijang, Hanjang, and Kramjang. And each five plants
Labang
their
tu
own
ke
sub
public
plant.
atong na
And Jambalaya thong is made by choosing pregnant who receive a divine guideline through their dreams to emphasize the sacred natures of its creations. That's all, sir.
So the question is, who is your idol? Who do you look up to and why?
Okay. Thank you so much for the question, sir. I really appreciate you so much. Well, my idol will be my mother. She is everything for me. Since child, she has been my idol. The way she inspired me, the way she overcome all troubles without any fear. That's the way she inspired me the most, and I really love her. So, yes, sir. Thank you.
Good evening, lady in black.
Good evening, ma'am.
Are you feeling nervous?
No, ma'am.
Not at all, right? You're really looking confident. Okay, my question to you is very simple. Tell us something about yourself and what is your proudest accomplishments.
Well, thank you, ma'am, for asking me this question. I'm a very hardworking girl. Everyone is hardworking, yes. But, well, I won national judo in our school level and national basketball also, and district level yoga. So these were all my accomplishments, which makes me very bold and brave.
Long kỳ cả trông kreng kreng à đi.
Lassie best personality kelong abang pi bang hello Miss Shanshila Hibarama.
Best personality là cái lông rồi đây. Gives cái phi lagi ông này. Là bằng cái Miss Best Rambok lo tahu deh. Mama deh Miss Photogenic.
Make
Nah ngetik nih ngomong lo Miss Photogenic.
Miss Tina Charompi. So lamang so chai chai.
Pulet lo nè, pulet lo.
Miss Anamika
Photogenic.
Bora Apansi Aporpilo.
Miss Photogenic. Alam mo na photographer man na Jini dalo di. Nasi klik lok si nasi Jini dalo mo. Oh, Sengkai photography ya deh, Sengkai photography. Ni lo deh, bai ni lo, bai ni ang bong pen ni non mai no deh Miss KYF cuman po.
Hi, sir. Kilingpi, Kilingpi. 2025. Here we go. Kilingpi, Kilingpi. Come on, everyone, put your hands together for the winner, Miss KYF 2025. And to give away the crown, I would like to request Miss KYF 2024. Liga Ruplin.
videos lang pon bom tung lang polo tang de nili channel non na subscribe non na so video like non share non comment non te ho